Hi everybody. Buenas tardes, Miss Soto. Y'all see my hair? I know it's just like eh. Anyways, let me fix this real quick. Okay. So Saturday I'll be getting my hair redid or retwisted rather. But anyways, just what we got Goldilocks for now. We are making teriyaki. Oh, I had a name for it. Teriyaki, zucchini, something like that. Teriyaki. We're gonna definitely have a stir fry, but I'm gonna have noodles instead of the rice. So it should be teriyaki zucchini noodle. No, that sounds boring. I'll figure it out. But anyways, we're using zucchini noodles. And then we got our veggies on the side, chopped up. We got some mushrooms. We got the carrots. We have onions. I squared out and cut it out like 2 different onions, but I may just do the purple one. I have some bell peppers and celery, which actually I'm gonna put in to cook now. Take this out. I'm gonna go ahead and put the carrots and the celery, so because they take just a little while longer than the other veggies. So I'm gonna dump that in there first, and then we're gonna use tofu as our meat. So chicken zucchini teriyaki or chicken teriyaki, whatever. I'll figure it out. But we're using tofu. I went ahead and sliced it in like triangles, and I'm letting it dry up in a napkin so it's easier to fry. That's what you want to do. Okay? Plant-based, of course. And then I have some other veggies. So I have got some kale, some broccoli, sprouts in here, and cabbage. All right? And some more carrots in here. So I'm going to dump all that in there too, but I'm doing one at a time. And then we got some organic teriyaki sauce, Himalayan salt, and I'm going to top it off with some red peppers, flakes. And what else am I going to top it off with? Sesame seed. Okay? So I'm going to start it up so you can see the process, and then I'll keep you guys up to date. Put this on high. This is to saute our veggies, and this is for our veggies going to be in here, and our teriyaki tofu, which is our source of chicken, will go in there. Both on high. Put that in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and dump our carrots and celery first. Now these vegetables over here that's in front of me, I cut up myself. The ones in the bowl came in a packed teriyaki ready to cook bag, but I don't want to use everything in there. Just some stuff that I didn't have already at home, because I have carrots, I have mushroom, and there was additional stuff I wanted to add in there. So this you can get from Publix. It's already ready. Veggies and sauce stir fry is already ready for you. But again, I'm doing mine with noodles. Okay. So I'm gonna have to save this in the Ziploc bag, whatever's left. I look like this is hot already. Let's dump veggies in there. A little bit more carrots. And I'm gonna let that simmer down and do its thing for really 2 minutes. I'll show you guys can see. Can you see from here? Oh yeah, you can a little bit. Alright, this pot is ready. I'm gonna go ahead and fry pan my tofu. Okay, you do it until they're lightly brown. Alright. Add some more. Let me get a knife. You have to be very, very careful with them. Alright, so they're gonna feel sticky at first, but until they start to get a little dark and crispy on the edges is when the stickiness will go away. Alright? Alright, let's check it out. When you see the celery, it's turning pretty much transparent. That's when you know that it's pretty much ready to add the other veggies, alright? Which in my case is gonna be, let me break some of this off. Onions, my peppers, and my mushroom. Keep looking over here and I should be looking over there. Y'all already know how this is. Okay, so we got that in there. And then once I put all this stuff in there, then I'll start to season a little more by putting the salt. I should add some sea moss. I'm gonna add some sea moss today. This is a very simple dish. I also got some garlic and I'm gonna add as well. I just grated it, so here it is. See? A couple pieces of that. And some garlic. Okay? This is gonna be a nice, healthy lunch. And, well, it's lunch/dinner. Alright, got my sea moss ready. Let me check on my stuff over here. See how we doing. Alright, still not there yet. Alright, our celery is doing good. So I'm going to go ahead and add the rest of the veggies. If you're doing it on high, shouldn't take long. Okay, so I'm putting this stuff in here now. Let me look at, see if I carrot. I don't think it's carrot is let me check. Actually, the carrots is good. Great. Alright, let me add the rest of these veggies in here. I'm going to add a little bit more grapeseed oil. Okay. Now, I have some leftovers I'm going to put to the side because, you know, it's your judgment how much you want to put in there. That was enough for me. I'm going to add some of the other veggies that I want to put. And I'm going to also add the sea moss. So I'm going to do it all simultaneously. Got that in there. My cabbage. Sprouts, kale, and broccoli. All right. Got a nice leftover. So there's nothing wrong with that. Always use that later. All right, let me go ahead and put some Himalayan salt on here. Got that. I'm gonna go with 3. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of pepper. Oh no. No, I don't want this pepper. I want the other pepper. The red flakes. So I'm gonna wait on that. Y'all, it's been 3 days and I still haven't found my favorite spatula. I don't know where it went, but I'm very upset about that. Alright, so you just let it do its thing. Put a top over that. Tofu. Try to check the bottom of it. Alright. So I'm gonna bring it close to it in a minute. You can see how I flipped it. I laid it down. I waited till it got a little brown, and I flipped it. This is my first time, you know, using tofu. So, see how that goes. Alright, I'm bringing it closer to the tofu. Alright, and stir fry. Go ahead and I got veggies falling everywhere. Y'all see my chef move? All right, I'm gonna add the noodles in there in a minute. Okay. All right, y'all. So, check back with me. Give me like 2 minutes and I'll be right back. All right, we're back. So I'm going to go ahead and add the onions, not the onions, the noodles, and the leftover veggies that I had. All right, into the stir fry. Okay, stir it up. I didn't put too much seasoning, but I am going to put my favorite, the basic. And then that's it, because the sauce, the teriyaki sauce, is going to do the rest. Alright, I added my noodles in there. Alright, so where's my basics? Y'all, somebody's been in my kitchen. The oregano. Oh, here it is. Cumin. Oregano. All right. All right. How it looking so far? I forgot I don't have to do that. I can actually bring it. You come to me. I'm sorry. Because I'm not on my laptop anymore. So, my bad. Anyways, let me show you what it looks like. Okay. And our tofu is pretty much done. Alright, so the only thing that's missing so far. Alright. Uh-oh. Sorry, y'all. Okay. I'm going to add my garlic and my ginger. Okay? Oh, you guys can see it. Let me bring this down a little bit. Okay. The garlic over the top. And the ginger. And I'm gonna let it marinate for a few minutes, not long. All right, that ginger's doing the thing. Okay. Tofu is done. I'm gonna sit in there for a little longer. I'm not going to season it because there's no need to. It's about to go in here with the teriyaki sauce. So this is ready. So let me clean up this and clean this up. And we're gonna get ready to finish it off with teriyaki sauce and the red peppers and sesame seed. Okay? Be right back. All right, we are almost to the end. Or should I say we are to the end? Okay, I'll fix this for y'all. Okay, this, ooh, We're getting somewhere. Alright, so our noodles are ready. Let's add our last topping. This is good, y'all. Our tofu, I'm just gonna basically I'm gonna saute the, you can put as much as you think is necessary. Okay, so now go ahead and add my pepper. Peppers is optional. I just like spice. Okay. That's it, y'all. Get my plate ready. I'll show you guys what the final look is.
Amor, te voy a confesar algo. Mi hermano se mudó al sótano y se la vive viendo series.
¿Desde cuándo, Gabriel? Con razón.
All right, I'm just putting the toppings on here. You know how particular I am.
Tiene datos ilimitados en la capacidad para aguantar múltiples devices. ¿Y viene con HBO Max?
¿HBO Max? ¿Cómo te sale eso, mi hermano?
Obtén un giga de internet super rápido para su entretenimiento con HBO Fiber por $39.99 al mes por un año cuando los combinas.
All right.
Todos incluidos. Disponibilidad musical en todas áreas. Hola, Juan. Aquí Manuela.
And I got one more left in here. Okay. And I'm going to add the sesame seeds. And we are done.
Un caso de sífilis se diagnosticó cada 3,1 horas. Un caso de sífilis masculina se diagnosticó cada 3,5 horas. Un caso de sífilis por contacto sexual de hombre a hombre.
Sesame seed is optional. For me, it gives it that official look. That's why I added in there. So it's like basically adding sprinkles to your ice cream. Not going to change the taste at all. I wanna no, the juice is already dried up. I'm gonna add a little bit more teriyaki over it. Give me 1 second, y'all. Okay. Adding it to the top. All right, it has that look I'm looking for. I'm still perfecting my wontons. But I didn't show this to you guys earlier, but this is the same one from yesterday. That's why I didn't record it. I just did more to basically perfect it. That's it. So just add it on the plate. And I guess just to see it. This is it. Okay. Thank you so much for joining me as always. I'm getting ready to eat now and enjoy this food. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. If no one has told you they loved you, know that Soto loves you. This is Soto Plus Size Fitness Journey. Thank you for always tuning in and supporting me. And I just look forward to your comments and your likes and your subscriptions. And just make sure you show your love in whichever way you feel comfortable. All right? See you guys later. Bye-bye.